Hi there, and welcome to your new Surface Pro tablet. I'm going to give you a quick overview of some of the features that you'll find on your Surface Pro to help you get to know it better. And then you'll be able to look at other videos to get more details on how to use and personalize each of these features. All right, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be looking starting with the items along the bottom of my screen. Now, the very first item there is the Start menu. And when I'm on the Start menu, I can see that this is a hybrid. Windows 10 is what we're using, and it's a hybrid of Windows 7, which has a Start menu here of Windows 7, and Windows 8. So these are the live tiles from Windows 8. So on the Start menu here, you can find all of the apps and programs that are available currently on your Surface Pro, and you can add things to this, and you can personalize all of your tiles, and that's all featured in another video. Okay, I'm moving along. The next thing I see here is the search key. With the search, I can search not only for the names of apps, but also for key names in documents or in emails and things that I might be looking for. Another way to do a search is on your keyboard is simply to type or press the Windows key and start typing. So for example, if I was looking for snipping tool, I could just start typing S, and there the snipping tool comes right on up. Okay, now the next item, this here little thing looks like three windows here. This is the task view. So you can see with task view, these are all the different apps I currently have running in the background. And I'll notice also on my task bar here, I've got a blue line under each of the items I'm currently running. So task view lets you toggle between those apps really quickly and easily, and there's a video about that. Okay, our next item is File Explorer. File Explorer looks like this little file on the bottom. File Explorer is where you will have access to your H drive, as well as all the documents and different things, your pictures and such that are on this machine. Now my H drive right now is not connected because I logged in a bit too quick, but you will see your employee number next to your H drive here. If you don't see that, you'll go under this PC and tap that, and you should see your employee number show up here. Okay, so mine is not connected at the moment, but yours should show up. If you go under the network, you will not find it. It's under this PC. So that's really important to know. Okay, now the rest of the items I have along the bottom on this left side, these are all apps that I have quick access to, apps that I have pinned there myself. I've chosen those because these are things that I want to have quick access to. You get to customize this any way you like, and there's a video on that. Okay, I'm going to keep on moving along the bottom of my screen here, and these are hidden icons that I also have running right now, but they don't necessarily have to be showing. Okay, you don't really have to worry about those too much. This little world here, this is showing that I'm connected to Global Protect. This is the bridge that's going to go between anywhere I am and connecting me to the school district network. Okay, the next thing is my power. It's showing me as well how much time I've got left, and that I've got my plugin showing me that I'm actually plugged into the wall right now. Well, this is, I've got 5 minutes to go to be fully charged. I ran my battery dead. Anyway, next thing is my internet connection. So this is my Wi-Fi. If I am going to be working somewhere outside of the school district and I need to connect to Wi-Fi, here's where I can choose different Wi-Fi networks. Okay, next to that, we've got your sound, your speakers. Now there's also a quick access to this on your keyboard, just above the numbers. You'll see it's the F4, F5, and F6 keys, but here also is where you have access on your actual screen. Okay, the next item is the Windows Ink Workspace. There's a full video we've made on this here to explain how to use it. This is a fantastic quick tool on the Surface Pro using your pen tool, so you can actually just do quick annotations and notes and whiteboard screens, that sort of thing. So be sure to check that out. Okay, the next item is a keyboard, an on-screen keyboard. Now this comes in pretty handy when you have your other keyboard detached because you may be going into tablet mode and you want to be able to walk around wirelessly projecting in your classroom. Okay, and then I've got my time, and of course if you click on the time, it also shows the calendar, so if you want to have a look for an upcoming date. And then finally over on the very bottom on the right, there is an icon to show the Action Center. So the Action Center, this will give you notifications of things, it's quick links to all sorts of things. There will be a whole video on this. If yours doesn't show as many icons as mine does, it might only show 4. Then you'll see that you have to click on Expand to get all of them, and then collapse it again after if you'd like. Okay, the last thing I'm going to just show you, just a reminder that your recycle bin, it's somewhere on your screen. You can pick it up, you can move it. I can just grab that, drag that wherever I like, and that's where I've got all of the items that I've put into the trash. And then don't forget, you can also drag things in and out of the recycle bin in case you want to restore them to have them for use again. All right, anyway, that's a quick interview, or a quick overview, a quick overview about your Surface Pro 4, and I hope that you enjoy it. All right, good luck.